Hi, Sebastian here from Wealth Depot. Just wanted to run through a few things regarding life insurance policies. We've received a few inquiries around income protection and how potentially those policies could provide financial support in amongst the current pandemic. Should you fall unfortunately ill or unable to work due to contracting the virus. So we want to run through a few things about what your income protection policies will do and your life and trauma policies will offer in those circumstances. And just to clear up some misgivings or myths that may be out there around entitlement to claiming under certain policies. So generally, if you're holding a current life insurance policy with no exclusions for pandemics, um, then on contracting the coronavirus or any other illness and eventual being terminally ill or pass away, your policy will pay. All right, that's been definitely the insurers have come out publicly and made that very clear. Regarding income protection, trauma policies, total and permanent disability, it all depends on the definitions of the policy. So you need to always go back to your policy documents, your product disclosure statements, and to understand, okay, what's happening and how does your policy then, how will your policy sort of react to that at claim time. Um, but in essence, TPD and income protection and business expense policies for those clients who hold those, uh, claims will be paid due to your inability to work as a result of being sick or injured. Okay. Um, Trauma policies will pay on defined events. Okay. Even though coronavirus is not a defined sickness under most or under trauma policies, severe cases may be considered. Okay. And accidental death policy obviously will not be covered by any contraction of COVID-19. So when does my income protection cover me? Again, just to reiterate, if you're unable to work due to sickness or injury in line with the terms and conditions of the policy, right, and depending on your waiting period, your income protection policy will assist to provide financial support and replacement of your income. Okay. Now, if you have been self-isolated or stood down, income protection is not going to provide you a benefit, okay? Because again, it's got to be directly related to a sickness or injury that prevents you from working, okay? So just to recap these things, okay? Income protection policies, if you are self-isolated, will not provide you a benefit. They will not provide you a benefit if your business shuts down due to COVID-19, and they will not pay a benefit if you're told you cannot go to work as your workplace is shut down. Okay, so just be clear on those sort of initial points, and to understand that it's all about your capacity to work because of an injury or illness. Okay, so we'll also feel there's some questions around it. Can you increase your level of covered, at the current in the current climate, or apply for new policies? And the short answer is absolutely yes. You would need to generate advice, quotes, and go through the underwriting process as usual. But the only new, I guess, conditions of any policy terms will be that those who have travelled recently abroad are showing symptoms of COVID-19 or in high risk groups, there may be modified terms offered. Okay, so we're just got to be aware of those things and also go through pre-assessment to ascertain at an individual level what those modified terms would look like. But we can't obviously guarantee or say there won't be until we go through that process. We've also had clients obviously, talk to us about, financial hardship and struggling to pay premiums or the other essentials of life to maintain your household and lifestyle. So we've investigated a couple of little levers that we can possibly utilize to help in that regard. Some insurance policies provide premium holidays. This is something that we've used in the past with clients that allows the policy to basically be put on hold and for premiums to not have to be paid until the premium holiday period expires. So you can do up to a maximum of 12 months throughout the whole of the policy term. Okay, so that means that your policy will stay afoot. You won't be covered while you're on that premium holiday, so be wary of that and aware. But those premiums won't be payable. Some policies, in particular income protection policies, also maybe have a waiver of premium due to involuntary unemployment inbuilt or as an optional extra. So this will provide a waiver of premium for up to 3 months should you cease work, um, and just provides you that sort of ability to maintain your policy, because obviously, unfortunately, we don't have a crystal ball. So, on top of maybe losing your job, something else could obviously eventuate, and you'd want to be sure that your income protection policy would obviously cover you. But at least this gives you 3 months of a bit of a moratorium on your premiums, but still be able to retain cover. A lot of the insurance companies now offer reward programs, and I'm going to go through a couple of schedules soon to identify which do and by how much. But these are great little programs that are being born out of that want of insurance companies to give back, to provide ability for their life insured to improve their health and well-being, which then in turn reduces the risks that apply to their books, and obviously then the premiums to be paid by all those that have policies. So please have a look at your policies in terms of what is available, and have a look at what you need to do to get those premium discounts. They can be as high as 15 or 20%. Some programs offer regular cashbacks throughout the year. So, cost of premiums, extra additional cash flow can all be rewards for in being engaged in these programs. So definitely look out for it. And if you've got any questions, please let us know. And just a final note, some life insurance providers, in particular AIA and TAL, also now provide private health insurance. So this is another way to consider, okay, well, you want that cover, you understand why you need it and why it's important for your family, but there could be opportunities there to bundle policies to provide further discounts or benefits. So have a look at those things as well, and obviously if you need any assistance, please reach out. So just to run through what each insurer is offering in terms of those levers. I've just got an asterisk there against AIA and TAL just to remind us of the whole private health insurance option. But we've got premium holidays, AIA no, BT yes, waiver of premium yes for AIA only up to 3 months, BT no. Reward programs, AIA Vitality program with AIA is probably the market leader. It's available to new and existing clients, and you can see there up to 15% for lump sum policy benefits in terms of discounts, and 7.5% for income protection. BT offer a well-being rewards program, up to 10% discounts on policies. PAL again offer private health insurance, but don't offer a premium holiday on their policies. Do offer waiver of premium on their income protection premium policies. They do have a reward program called Health Sense, available for new clients, and it's up to 15% off your premium. Zurich premium holiday, yes, up to 12 months. Waiver premium up to 3 months. They do have a Live Well reward program, and you can obtain 7.5% discounts on eligible policies. MLC, here we go. Premium holidays are allowed, but are assessed case by case. No to waiver of premium. Yes to a reward program, the MLC on track, which can provide initial 5% discount on your premium, and you are able to extend another 5% each year if you meet the step target annually. Astron Life, premium holiday, yes, up to 12 months. No waiver to premium. Yes to a reward program. The Astron Healthy Life option provides 10% off stepped premiums for life and TPD policies applied for life of the policy. Clearview, premium holiday, yes for 12 months. Waiver premium up to 3 months. Clearview offer a maintenance reward program, which provides 10% discounts for the first year. And then OnePath, quite simply, premium holiday, yes. Waiver premium, yes. And unfortunately, don't have a reward program, but they do offer Qantas frequent flyer points on payment premiums. AMP, premium holiday, no. Waiver premium, yes, on their Elevate only product. So just be careful which product you do have, and only on their premium and plus options. Reward program, yes, on Elevate Healthy Start, program, and that provides 10% discounts on set premiums. And ComInsure, no on premium holidays, yes on waiver of premium on income protection policies, and reward program, no. So yeah, I just thought that it would be a timely update and reminder of how your policies will provide protection. Any questions, please let us know, and look forward to speaking to you guys soon. Thank you very much. Bye bye.